let's draw characters make up. Wait. First is Joker. I want to begin earlier. There's too many.
Hindi ka nakamoto. Mararating ko lang mo. Si ate, sabihin mo. Si ate. Ate, ayun, paligin mo ate. Kiss mo muna ako. Hala, pangit. Sabihin mo muna, hala. Hala, pangit. Ayan, kalaw mo muna ang balin mo. Ayan. Pagpahingin mo naman si tatay.
What's my idea about? Oh. This is called Looks like I have totally eye bugs. Okay, we're going to start with the red lipstick right here. Now the blue.
Yung ginawa mo. Yung video yan. Ano ba yung sinend mo sa akin na yan?
What the? Wait.
Balita lang.
Need a darker blue. Oh no. This. To do it in the mirror. Oh. Finished results. I think it's very bad.
135.
But I'm just a kid and I use color. So.
Saturday. Ang ano dyan? Tama. Serious yung ano nila may sawa. Monday! May blatter pang magagano. Sabi yung barangay captain. Nakaschedule na pinablatter ng mga babae. Oo, parang gano'n.
Bye.
Tapos, na-schedule sila mag-uusap kinabukasan.